Greetings one all, how's everyone doing? I hope really well. It's actually Friday, so happy Friday. I'm at a Pacific Northwest Facebook group hammock hang this weekend. So 3 days, 2 nights. Got my, probably put that footage in. You saw me setting up my rig. I'll probably just fast forward and cut a lot of it because a lot of it's like work, damn it. So, you know, getting it set up. I really need to tweak my hammock system. Maybe next time. But I'm gonna go join the others, socialize. I don't know how much filming I'll get done today, but tomorrow I'm planning on going and doing a little sightseeing, and I'm gonna be. I brought my fishing pole, my license, and my pathetic tackle box. But and I also brought my Trangia set kit, so I'm gonna be trying to do some a catch and cook. Knock on wood. So it should be fun. I'll try to film as much as I can. It's supposed to rain tomorrow. I'm hoping the weatherman is smoking crack and wrong as hell. I mean, it doesn't have to be hot and sunny, but if it was, you know, cloudy, I can live with that. But I did bring rain gear. I might be out there just fishing anyway. I'll just do it as best I can. You know, the camera, you know, it's not waterproof. A few drips on it probably won't hurt anything, but the camera is crooked again. Dang it. But anyway, we'll just see what happens and do the best I can. Try to show you highlights. If need be, I can just, if I catch a trout, maybe I can cook it on the tailgate and just put the camera inside the truck so it's covered by the canopy. But, you know, we'll just see how it goes. You know, today's, no, this weekend's all going to be about winging it. So, cheers. I'm going to go join the others because I've been setting up my setup, so I've been pretty antisocial, so yeah, a bunch of guys down there I know, so I don't know if I'll shoot a lot of them. You know, people might be camera shy, so, but maybe I'll do like I'll set the camera way a ways, and then I'll just do like a couple, like maybe a minute or so, just of random footage. We'll see how it goes. We're just gonna wing it. It's all about winging it. All right, let's go get social. He wants to check it out. Morning one at all. So it's day 2. You know, didn't get a lot filmed. Sorry. Just, you know, we've been sitting around talking, having fun, discussing gear, discussing hammocks. You know, typical gear talks. It's been good. I just had an MRE for dinner last night, so I didn't film it because I've done enough MREs. So I'm looking here with my hammock. Got right next to me. I learned the hard way. I really need to upgrade my hammock system. I want to get a hammock that I can get in a little bit lower rated underquilt that will snap in underneath. Ones that snap in. I think Superior Gear, because one of my camp compatriots has a Superior Gear hammock, and the underquilt snaps in underneath it, and he let me lay in it. Nice. That's kind of what I'm leaning at. We'll see. I'm gonna go get in the truck. I'm gonna go up and do a little sightseeing. Taking my rain gear with me. Supposed to be scattered showers. Excuse me. I'm hoping they've all passed for the rest of the day. That's my hope. But you know, just see how it goes. So yeah. Go jump in the truck, do some sightseeing, because a lot of this area I've not seen myself. So, plus I want to get the line in the water and do a little fishing. So, let's see how that goes. So according to this, I am here. I'm at the Ross Dam Trailhead. I just drove up the road from our campsite. I want to do a little bit of exploring before I hopefully hit the lake and do some casting, but it's pretty neat. I might throw us all, see if I can find some links and I'll throw them in the description so you guys can just click and enjoy. Apparently this lake, excuse me, wow, always when the camera's on. This lake, Ross Lake, you can Google Maps it, it actually goes all the way to Canada. So you could actually get in a canoe and canoe to Canada. The only problem is if you get to the border of US Canada, there are guys there with they're armed security, I think law enforcement, and they'll arrest you if you cross the border. So I wouldn't test your luck. That'd be kind of a mood killer. No, there's a board. Kind of cool. I like stuff like this. I'm gonna see if there's an outlet, a viewpoint down the trail a little bit. I don't know if I'm gonna hike the whole thing, but I'm gonna go and see if there's a vantage point to get a nice pictures. Yeah, I don't know about a viewpoint. You know, at one point I gladly would have gone hiking down there, checked it out. The spirit is willing, but the body is spongy and too much fat. I should get back into hiking shape. I would have gladly done this trail.